Have you ever searched for your own business on Google and wondered why competitors keep showing up before you? Does it feel like your website exists, but nobody can actually find it online? Getting onto the first page of Google can completely change how people discover your business and interact with your brand. I'm Sissy with Jotform, and in this video, we will walk through what it really takes to rank on the first page of Google. We'll cover why those rankings matter, what Google is looking for from websites, and the strategies that can help improve your visibility in search results. Let's get started. Many business owners know the frustration of searching for their company online only to discover their website is buried deep in the results. The good news is that first page rankings are not reserved for massive corporations with huge marketing budgets. Small businesses, freelancers, and startups can compete too by applying practical SEO strategies. Ranking on the first page of Google matters because most people never look beyond it. Research has shown that the top organic results receive far more clicks than listings farther down the page. Google's search results acts like the internet's main entrance, and visibility drops dramatically once your site moves farther down the rankings. That visibility translates directly into business opportunities. Most clicks stay on page 1, which means potential customers are making decisions based on the businesses they see there. Moving from page 2 to page 1 can create a major increase in traffic because search demand tends to remain consistent over time. Once you earn a strong ranking, your website can continue attracting visitors month after month. Organic search traffic also continues working after you stop spending money. Paid ads can deliver quick results, but they disappear as soon as the campaign ends. A strong organic ranking keeps generating leads around the clock. Your website continues attracting visitors and potential customers without requiring constant ad spending to remain visible. Google rewards the same qualities that real visitors appreciate: fast websites, mobile-friendly layouts, easy navigation, and useful content all improve the user experience. That means improving your rankings usually improves your website overall. The process is not about tricking Google anymore. It's about creating a site that genuinely helps visitors. One of the biggest changes in search results is the rise of AI overviews. Instead of showing only traditional blue links, Google now often displays AI-generated summaries at the top of the page. These summaries answer questions directly and pull information from websites Google considers trustworthy. Businesses now need to optimize their content not only for standard rankings, but also for AI-generated results. To improve your chances of appearing in AI overviews, you need to practice Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO. Start articles with a direct and concise answer to the main question. Structure headings as questions people are likely to search for, because that makes content easier for both readers and search systems to understand. Supporting your claims with statistics and factual information also helps because generic observations are less likely to be cited than content backed by clear data. Keywords still play a huge role in helping Google understand your pages. Before your content can rank, Google has to know what the page is about. That starts with proper keyword research. Instead of targeting extremely broad terms, focus on more specific phrases that match what people are actually searching for. Once you choose a keyword, place it naturally throughout important areas of the page. The title tag is one of the first places Google looks. It appears as the clickable headline in search results and should clearly describe the page. The meta description beneath the title gives readers a short summary and can encourage more clicks. URLs should also include descriptive keywords rather than random numbers or generic labels. Even image alt text matters because it helps search engines understand visual content and improves accessibility for users. Beyond individual keywords, Google also wants to see expertise across an entire topic. This idea is known as topical authority. Instead of publishing one isolated article, successful websites create groups of related content connected together. A long, detailed guide acts as the main pillar resource, while shorter articles explore specific subtopics in greater detail. Internal linking ties all of that content together. When articles connect back to the main guide and to each other, Google sees the website as a deeper source of knowledge. Technical SEO is another critical part of ranking well. Even excellent content can struggle if a website loads slowly or functions poorly. Google measures performance using Core Web Vitals, which evaluate loading speed and overall user experience. Faster sites generally perform better because visitors are less likely to leave before the page finishes loading. Mobile optimization is equally important because Google primarily evaluates the mobile version of a website. Responsive layouts, readable text, and tap-friendly buttons all contribute to a better mobile experience. Secure HTTPS connections matter too, because browsers warn users when sites are not secure. User behavior also influences rankings. Google pays attention to whether you can keep visitors on a page or if they immediately return to search results. Clear navigation helps people find what they need quickly, while strong calls to action guide them toward the next step. Interactive features such as forms, quizzes, and chatbots can also keep visitors engaged for longer periods of time. You should also design for mobile layouts first. Your website should adapt to any screen size. The buttons and fonts should be big enough to read and tap, and make sure to optimize your page speed. Another growing trend is the importance of community content and social proof. Google increasingly highlights discussions from platforms where real people share experiences and opinions. Smaller brands can benefit from this shift because authentic conversations often matter more than massive advertising budgets. Encouraging comments, discussions, and user-generated content adds freshness and credibility to a website. Reviews help as well because they show that real customers have interacted with your business. These trust signals make both visitors and search engines more confident in your brand. There are also several outdated SEO practices that should be avoided. Keyword stuffing, where the same phrase is repeated excessively, now hurts rankings instead of helping them. Low-quality backlinks from irrelevant directories can weaken your authority rather than strengthen it. Duplicate content across multiple pages creates confusion for Google and can cause your own pages to compete against one another. Thin or copied content is another major problem. Google favors pages that demonstrate real expertise and provide original value. Ultimately, reaching the first page of Google is less about gaming an algorithm and more about building a valuable online presence. Strong rankings come from combining quality content, strategic keyword use, technical performance, mobile optimization, and a positive user experience. When those elements work together, your website becomes more useful for both search engines and real visitors. Start with the basics by researching the terms your audience actually searches for and creating content that directly answers those questions. Build authority by covering related topics in depth and connecting those pages together. Continue improving site speed, mobile usability, and engagement so visitors enjoy spending time on your website. Check out Jotform's collection of website tools, including embeddable forms, AI chatbots, and interactive widgets to create a better experience for both Google and your visitors. Thanks for watching. I'm Sissy with Jotform. Be sure to subscribe and I'll see you again soon.